Hey there. Today we're talking about mass. So what exactly is mass? Mass is just how much stuff or matter something has inside it. For example, think about a loaf of bread. The amount of bread there is, that's its mass. And here's something cool. Mass doesn't change, no matter where you are. Let's talk about units of mass. The main unit scientists use is the kilogram, or just kg for short, but you'll also see grams, milligrams, and even tons in everyday life. Here are some handy conversions. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms. Fun fact: if you have 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius, it has a mass of exactly 1 kilogram. Let's talk about some tools we use to measure mass. First up is the pan balance. It lets you compare an object's mass with standard weights, kind of like a seesaw for science. Then there's the mechanical balance. You slide little weights along the scale until it balances, and that's how you find the mass. And finally, the digital balance. It's quick and super accurate. Just place your object on it, and you'll get the mass right away. Let's talk about something important: mass versus weight. Mass is just the amount of stuff or matter in something, and it doesn't change no matter where you are. But weight is different. It's the pull of gravity on an object, so it can change depending on where you are in the universe. For example, an astronaut's mass stays the same whether they're on Earth or floating in space, but their weight is much less in space. And by the way, the scientific unit for weight is called the Newton, or N. Let's talk about how we measure weight. There are special tools just for this. One common tool is the spring scale, also called a force meter. It measures weight by how much the spring stretches when you hang something on it. The more the spring stretches, the heavier the object is. Let's talk about the law of conservation of mass. It's a really cool idea in science. If you change the shape of something, like squishing a ball of clay flat, its mass doesn't change at all. Scientists have shown that whenever substances change, the total mass before and after stays exactly the same. This only works if no matter is added or taken away during the process. That's why we call it the law of conservation of mass. Great job, scientists. Let's remember what we've learned today. Mass is how much stuff is inside something. We measure it with special tools, like balances and scales. We use units like grams and kilograms. Weight is a little different. It's how heavy something feels because of gravity. We discovered that no matter what changes, like squishing clay or mixing things together, the total mass stays the same. That's the law of conservation of mass, and it's one of science's coolest rules. Learning about mass and weight helps us understand the world around us. Science is full of awesome questions and amazing discoveries, and you're already on your way to being a great explorer. So keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and most of all, keep having fun with science. Who knows what you'll discover next?